To book a Forex transaction with Absa Bank, start by understanding the basics of foreign exchange and the bank's services. Absa Bank offers a range of Forex solutions for individuals and businesses, including spot transactions, forward contracts, and swaps. First, determine your Forex needs and the type of transaction you want to book. If you are new to Forex, consider consulting with an Absa Bank representative to discuss your options and choose the best solution for your needs. Next, gather the required documentation, which typically includes identification, proof of address, and proof of income or business registration. This documentation may vary depending on the type of transaction and your status as an individual or business. To book a Forex transaction, you can visit an Absa Bank branch, use the bank's online platform, or contact the Absa Bank Forex desk directly. When using the online platform, log into your account, navigate to the Forex section, and follow the prompts to book your transaction. When booking a Forex transaction, you will need to specify the currency pair, the amount you want to exchange, and the exchange rate. Absa Bank offers competitive exchange rates, and you can view current rates on the bank's website or by contacting the Forex desk. It is essential to understand the fees and charges associated with your Forex transaction. Absa Bank charges a commission on Forex transactions, and there may be additional fees for services such as payment processing and currency conversion. To get the best value from your Forex transaction, consider the timing of your booking. Exchange rates can fluctuate rapidly, so it is crucial to stay informed about market trends and book your transaction when the rate is favorable. Finally, review and confirm your transaction details carefully before booking. Ensure that you understand the terms and conditions of the transaction, including the exchange rate, fees, and settlement date. By following these steps and considering your Forex needs carefully, you can book a Forex transaction with Absa Bank efficiently and effectively. Remember to stay informed about market trends and to consult with an Absa Bank representative if you need guidance or support.